Thanks for tuning in. Ever feel like you're spending too much time on writing tasks instead of closing deals? Today, we'll unlock 3 powerful ChatGPT prompts designed to revolutionize how real estate agents work, boosting your efficiency and impact. Hey there, future real estate rock stars. In this tutorial, we're going to dive into some game-changing ChatGPT prompts that will truly elevate your real estate business. We'll kick things off with a quick refresher on the powerful RCTFC framework, then immediately put it into action by learning how to craft compelling property descriptions, generate engaging social media content, and efficiently draft professional client emails. You're going to love how much time these save you. Before we jump into our super helpful prompts, let's quickly refresh our memory on the secret sauce for effective AI communication, the RCTFC framework. This structure is your key to getting consistently great results from ChatGPT, ensuring it understands exactly what you need every single time. It's a simple yet incredibly powerful tool, and you've got this. RCTFC stands for Role, Context, Task, Format, and Constraint. By clearly defining each of these elements in your prompt, you're essentially giving ChatGPT a precise roadmap. You tell it who to be, what background information is relevant, exactly what action to take, how you want the information presented, and any specific rules to follow. This level of detail empowers the AI to deliver outputs that are spot on and incredibly useful for your real estate needs. You're setting yourself up for success. So the key takeaway here is that using the RCTFC framework isn't just a suggestion. It's a game changer for getting the best out of ChatGPT. By clearly structuring your prompts, you ensure the AI understands your intentions, acts in the desired role, and delivers precisely what you need. This clarity means less back and forth and more effective results for you, freeing up your valuable time for what matters most: your clients. All right. Let's dive into our first practical prompt that every real estate agent will find incredibly useful: crafting compelling property descriptions. We all know how crucial a well-written description is for attracting buyers and making your listings stand out. This prompt is designed to help you quickly generate descriptions that not only highlight key features, but also tell a captivating story about the home, enticing potential clients to learn more. Get ready to save a ton of writing time. The goal with a great property description is to go beyond just listing facts. You want to paint a picture and make potential buyers imagine themselves living in that space. Think about who your ideal buyer is for this property, and then describe the home's features in a way that emphasizes the asterisk benefits for them. Use words that evoke emotion and luxury, or comfort and family, depending on the property. And don't forget those crucial practical details that seal the deal. You're not just selling a house, you're selling a lifestyle. Now it's your turn to try it out. This prompt will help you generate a tailored property description. Notice how we start by defining the, role, and context. Then move to the, task, format, and constraint, the word count. Take a moment to fill in the bracketed placeholders with details about a property you know. This exercise is also detailed in your free lab guide, linked below. Pause the video now, fill in your details, run the prompt, and then come back to see a sample result. Welcome back. Here's an example of the kind of rich, engaging description you might get. Notice how it sets the scene, highlights the key features like the gourmet kitchen and smart home tech, and then ties them back to an exclusive lifestyle. It uses evocative language like unparalleled opportunity and exquisite estate to appeal to affluent buyers. Plus, it ends with a clear call to action. This prompt helps you generate descriptions that truly resonate, saving you so much time while still sounding perfectly polished. The key takeaway here is that with a well-structured prompt, you can quickly generate customized property descriptions that speak directly to your target audience. You're not just listing features, you're selling a vision and a lifestyle. This capability saves you significant time on copywriting, allowing you to focus more on showings, client relationships, and closing those crucial deals. You're becoming more efficient, and that's fantastic. Next up, let's tackle the world of social media. In today's market, having a strong online presence is non-negotiable for real estate agents. But coming up with fresh, engaging content can be a time drain. This next prompt is designed to help you quickly generate captivating social media posts that grab attention, drive engagement, and get more eyes on your listings and services. Let's make your social media shine. To really make your social media content effective, you need to think about how people consume information online. Quickly, start with a strong hook to stop the scroll. Then, offer something of value, whether it's a sneak peek of a new listing, a market insight, or a home ownership tip. Always include relevant hashtags to expand your reach, and, crucially, a clear call to action, telling people what you want them to do next. It's all about sparking interest and inviting interaction. You've got this creative energy within you. Ready to boost your online presence? Here's a prompt to help you draft an engaging Instagram caption. Again, we're using the RCTFC framework to guide ChatGPT. Remember to fill in the bracketed parts with your specific property details, focusing on features that would excite your local audience. The full prompt is available in your lab guide. Go ahead and pause the video, try it out, and then join me back here to review some great results. Fantastic work! This is a great example of a social media post that grabs attention. It starts with an exciting hook, highlights key features like the renovated kitchen and spacious backyard, and then ties them to a desirable lifestyle. Crucially, it includes relevant hashtags for discoverability and a clear call to action, encouraging viewers to take the next step. You can see how quickly and effectively you can generate content that connects with your audience. The key takeaway for social media is that this prompt helps you drive engagement and interest without spending hours brainstorming. By tailoring your content to each platform and including clear calls to action, you can efficiently boost your online presence and reach more potential clients. It's about being smart with your time and letting AI help you connect more effectively. You're building a stronger brand, one post at a time. Our final prompt focuses on something absolutely essential for any real estate agent: client communication. From initial inquiries to follow-ups after showings, clear, professional, and personalized emails build trust and keep deals moving forward. But drafting these emails can be incredibly time-consuming. This prompt is designed to help you generate professional and empathetic client communications quickly, allowing you to maintain excellent relationships effortlessly. Let's make your inbox a breeze. Effective client emails are a cornerstone of your professionalism. Aim for clarity and conciseness, respecting your clients' time. Always maintain a professional yet approachable tone. It's incredibly important to personalize each email with specific details that show you remember your conversations and their unique needs. And finally, always provide clear next steps so your clients know exactly what to expect and what actions they can take. These little touches build immense trust and show you truly care about their journey. You're building lasting relationships. Time for our final lab. This prompt will help you draft a personalized follow-up email to a client, especially useful when they have a specific concern. Fill in the buyer's name, the property address, their specific concern, and your proposed next step. This is a fantastic way to practice empathetic and proactive communication. Remember, the full prompt is in the lab guide. Pause the video now, run your prompt, and then we'll compare notes with an example result. Welcome back. Here's an example of a compassionate and professional follow-up email. Notice how it acknowledges the client's specific concern, shows understanding, and then pivots to reiterate a positive feature of the property. Crucially, it then offers clear next steps, giving the client options and keeping the conversation moving forward. This prompt helps you maintain that personal touch and professionalism, even when you're short on time. You're doing great. Keep that client connection strong. The key takeaway for client communication is that this prompt allows you to enhance your client relations by quickly generating professional, empathetic, and personalized emails. You're saving precious time on drafting while consistently maintaining that high level of professionalism and care that your clients expect. This means more time for building those valuable relationships face-to-face and less time stuck behind your keyboard. You're a communication wizard. You've done an amazing job today. We've covered a lot of ground, from mastering the foundational RCTFC framework to putting it into action with 3 incredibly powerful ChatGPT prompts. You now have the tools to streamline your property descriptions, create captivating social media content that grabs attention, and automate your professional client emails, all while maintaining that personal touch. By integrating these prompts into your workflow, you're not just saving time, you're boosting your overall productivity and setting yourself up for even greater success in the real estate world. You've truly leveled up your AI game. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tutorials on leveraging AI in your business. You'll find the full lab guide with all prompts and examples linked in the description below. What other AI tools or specific real estate scenarios would you love to see tackled in future videos? Share your ideas in the comments.